Today we are in a Fiat 500. You are watching John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Connor. So today we're going to show you another example of a Kenwood installation, in particular the model DMX8021. This is a 2018 Fiat 500, so this is the newer shape, so it was 2015 onwards. Has steering wheel controls as standard on this model. The previous unit was a 7-inch, they call it a Uconnect system, which is basically their top of the range Fiat system, but didn't have Apple CarPlay, so the customer wanted to replace it purely for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and they also wanted wireless connectivity, so no need to plug the phone in at all. Now let's turn it on and show you what it looks like. Right. So we've used a gloss matte black matching fascia, which matches the old previous radiator that was in there. Fiat logo comes up when you turn it on to keep it more in keeping with the original system that was in here. Disclaimer comes on. There we go. So there it is, all booted up. Now what we'll do is I'll actually get my phone connected. Really easy on these Kenwoods. So all you do is you touch the telephone button down here and it makes it visible. And all I do is I go on my phone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, search for devices, wait for it to appear at the bottom, which is there, DMX8021, select it. And then all you got to do is just make sure you keep hitting yes on all the options that come up, allow, and then eventually what it will do is it'll come up with, do you want to enable Apple CarPlay, which is there, hit yes, and then your phone, wait for it, there you go, use CarPlay, confirm on the screen, and then what you do is you want to wait for the handshake to be done, it will all connect. Microphone is up by there, just about to see it in the dark area there. Apple CarPlay is now connected. No DAB air on the windscreen on this one because this car's actually got factory DAB, so we connected up the original aerial on the roof. There you go, it looks really nice in here. Go to the home screen, this is where you can choose all your options. So you've got DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, telephone shortcut. You can move these widgets around and personalize it as well. So let's go to CarPlay, home screen. We can then choose maps, music, phone, text messages, WhatsApp. All my internet radio stations come up on here, or internet radio channels, as well as other navigation apps like TomTom, Waze, Google. But yeah, it looks good. USB, we've routed into the glove box just down here. That's USB-C on this model, which supports fast charging, which is nice. But yeah, all the steering wheel controls work as standard. And yeah, review program at Kenwood do as well. So if you wanted to review us as a company, which is obviously the company that installed it, fill that out, and you also get 3 years warranty on this unit if it's fitted by a Kenwood Premier Centre like ourselves. But yeah, I think that's about it for today. So if you like what you see, get in contact, drop us a message, but for now, see you later.